In a bustling city, pigeons seemed to have developed an uncanny ability to read traffic lights. As pedestrians marveled, rumors spread of a secret society of birds controlling urban life. One day, a young girl noticed a peculiar pattern. The birds only moved when a certain man crossed the street. Intrigued, she followed him, discovering he was a retired traffic engineer who trained the birds with hidden signals. The twist? The birds weren't just following him. They were protecting him from an ancient curse. To support us, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.